Missed the boat. Miss the boat means to fail to take advantage of an opportunity because you were too late or didn't act in time. Let's look at some example sentences. I wanted to invest in that company, but I waited too long and missed the boat. Many people missed the boat on buying houses when interest rates were low. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. I waited too long to apply for the summer internship and now all the positions are filled. I wanted to apply for the summer internship, but I waited too long and completely missed the boat. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.